Okay guys, welcome to Sarkynetengineering Company Limited. Today we are installing a solar powered submersible pump. As you can see, this is 0.5 horsepower solar sumo, and we're about to install it at one of the uh, farms at Ebenebe in Anambra State, Nigeria. So we are bringing out the items. We've seen the solar sumo. Now this is the sumo control. You can see it. Yes, that's the sumo control with the keypad and everything. All right, then we'll come back to other accessories that comes with the sumo. This includes the tape, the plumbing stuff that we'll use to couple the sumo. You see that white cylindrical object? That's the sensor, water sensor, that tells us that there's no more water on the stuff to prevent the sumo from damaging. So before we can make any connections to this control box, we must first of all open the box so can we see the connection terminals. So this is me opening the control box, and this 0.5 horsepower will carry a minimum of 4 numbers of 150 watts panel. You can use 180 watts, you can use 200 watts, but it must be up to 4 numbers. And then, so this is the inside of the control box. You can see the terminals where you can put your ACs. This is the solar panel. Then work has already started. This is one of my engineers connecting the wires, joining the wires, so I can be able to test the sumo and put the wires, and we'll connect them and we'll tape them and insulate them properly to make sure that there is no water leakage. You know, water is a conductor of electricity. So anytime you are doing this type of installation, make very much sure that you insulate these cables to be able to prevent water, which is a conductor, to breach the terminals and of course spoil the sumo. So this is solar panels well mounted, and then submerge the pump and we'll put on the control on. Boom, everything is properly connected, but the water is not pumping. Oh guys, what's going on? We checked the connections, we checked everything, so we finally realized that the pump can only pump at a 30-meter range, while our well is around 58 meters. So we have to submit to a new pump. So we had to get a bigger 1.5 horsepower sumo. You can see this is bigger. This is the control. We'll now open the inside. You can see the terminals there. We can do our connections and all whatnot. Then on top, we mounted 6 numbers of 300 watts panels on the roof. Everything has been mounted ready, and this is me doing the cable connections and installations to connect the sumos and test it. You can see the sumo on the other end of the wall. Then we'll submerged, we'll test. The water was actually pumping, but wasn't too much. So we'll assume that the weather was down. So we started putting the pump down inside the well. You can see so many men at work trying to get this thing done. We took our time to tape the cables, to fix the pipes and all whatnot. So the plumbing guys, you guys should know much better on this. So a lot of guys put hands trying to make sure that the pipes did not bend or twist in any kind. So try to do it the very perfect way. Although we're not plumbers, we're electricians, we're engineers, but we did the plumbing work so perfectly well. But this is the where we hang the control, and while we were doing all these things, we were told that the pig were giving birth to a new baby. I've not seen that for my life for the very first time, so I had to go and check it out. Oh my God, look at how this is going through. Wow. This is the second one, and they said they could do this up to 6 to 8 times. Alright guys, the next morning we'll put on the control. This is the control reading very well. As you can see, the sun is bright. These are our panels. The sun is shining so bright, and we're about to test the pump again. And this is it. It's pumping. Oh la la. So that's it guys. Share your views on the comment section. We're ready to welcome and respond to them. Thank you very much.